Welcome to Best Choice. The Bose Jaybird Tarah Charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for any active music lover, ensuring your earbuds are always ready for your next workout, commute, or adventure. This compact and reliable charging solution is designed to keep your Jaybird Tarah headphones powered up, offering a convenient way to top off the battery whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Its durable construction and efficient charging capabilities make it a must-have for maintaining uninterrupted audio playback. Number 5. Bose Sport Earbuds, True Wireless Earphones. Experience true wireless freedom with these earbuds, designed by Bose for your most demanding workouts. They offer unparalleled sound and comfort, ensuring you stay motivated. Immerse yourself in Bose lifelike sound that makes you feel like the artist is right there with you. Let the music drive you to achieve that extra mile or rep. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit with 3 sizes of Stay Here Max tips. They are designed to stay in place and won't cause discomfort, no matter how intense your workout gets. Don't let the elements stop you. These earbuds are IPX4 rated and protected from moisture, making them perfect for any exercise, rain or shine. Stay connected on the go with clear calls. A beamforming microphone array isolates your voice from background noise, ensuring you're heard loud and clear. Manage your music and calls with ease using simple touch controls. Swipe for volume, tap to play or pause, and answer calls without breaking your stride. What we like. Experience sound that feels like the performer is right there with you. These earbuds offer a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for any workout. If you are looking for earbuds that can keep up with your active lifestyle and deliver immersive audio, these are the ones for you. What people say. The charging cable is a perfect fit for my Jaybird Tarah earbuds. It charges my earbuds quickly and efficiently. The cable is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 4. Sony WF-1000XM4 Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Experience industry-leading digital noise cancellation, powered by the new integrated processor V1. Immerse yourself in pure sound like never before. Enjoy crystal clear sound quality thanks to the advanced integrated processor V1 and LDAC codec support. Hear every detail with stunning clarity. Stay connected with exceptional call quality. Beamforming microphones and a bone conduction sensor ensure your voice is heard clearly, even in noisy surroundings. Our speak-to-chat technology automatically lowers the volume when you start talking. It's a seamless way to engage in conversations without missing a beat. Get up to 8 hours of listening time with noise cancelling enabled, and a total of 24 hours with the charging case. Plus, they're IPX4 water resistant for peace of mind. Connect to 2 devices simultaneously with multi-point connection, available via a firmware update. Effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop. What we like. Immerse yourself in pure sound with industry-leading noise cancellation. Enjoy exceptional audio quality and an impressive battery life that keeps the music going. If you prioritize blocking out distractions and savoring every note, these are your perfect audio companions. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the earbuds quickly and efficiently, fully charging them in about an hour. Number 3. JBL Tune 130NC TWS Noise Cancelling Headphones. Experience the powerful JBL Pure Bass sound, delivered by expertly designed 10mm drivers. Feel every beat with incredible depth and clarity. Our active noise cancelling technology uses 2 microphones to block out distractions. Stay aware of your surroundings with ambient aware, or chat easily with talk-through without removing them. Equipped with 4 microphones, these headphones ensure your calls are always crystal clear. Enjoy seamless, hands-free stereo calls without any hesitation. Get up to 40 hours of listening time with noise cancelling engaged. A quick 10-minute speed charge gives you an extra 2 hours of playtime when you need it. Don't let weather stop you. With IPX4 water resistance and sweatproofing, these headphones are built to handle any workout or unexpected downpour. What we like. Feel the beat with JBL's signature pure bass sound. These earbuds feature active noise cancellation and multiple microphones for crystal clear calls. If you love deep bass, need to tune out the world, and want seamless communication, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The charger is compact and easy to carry. It charges the earbuds quickly and efficiently. The magnetic connection is strong and holds the earbuds securely in place. Number 2. Zotech Charging Cradle for Jaybird Tarah. Keep your Jaybird Tarah headphones powered up and ready to go. This charging cradle ensures you never miss a beat. Simply place your headphones in a cradle for a secure and efficient charge. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Crafted with quality materials, this charging solution is built to last. Enjoy consistent performance every time you charge. Its compact design makes it easy to take anywhere. Charge your device at home, in the office, or on the go. This replacement cradle comes complete with a USB cable. Everything you need to start charging right away is included. Specifically engineered for your Jaybird Tarah headphones. It provides a perfect fit and optimal charging. What we like. Keep your Jaybird Tarah earbuds powered up with this dedicated charging cradle. It comes complete with a USB cable for convenience. If you've lost or damaged your original charger and own a Jaybird Tarah, this is the essential replacement to get you back to listening. What people say. The charger is compact and easy to carry around. It charges the earbuds quickly and efficiently. The magnetic connection ensures the earbuds stay in place while charging. Number 1. Zotech Replacement Charge Clip for Jaybird X3 X4. Keep your Jaybird headphones powered up and ready to go. This charging clip ensures you never miss a beat, whether you're at home or on the move. Specifically designed for your Jaybird X3 and X4 models. It provides a secure and reliable connection for efficient charging. Featuring a 6-inch braided micro USB cable, this accessory is built for durability. The tough exterior protects against wear and tear. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere. Simply clip it on and charge whenever you need to, without hassle. The sleek black finish complements your headphones perfectly. It's a stylish and practical addition to your audio gear. Using it is as simple as clipping it onto your earbuds. Connect the USB end to a power source, and you're all set to charge. What we like. Ensure your Jaybird X3 or X4 earbuds stay charged with this durable replacement clip. It includes a sturdy braided micro USB cable for reliable power. If you own the Jaybird X3 or X4 and need a dependable charging solution, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges the earbuds quickly and efficiently, ensuring they are ready to use in no time. The magnetic connection is strong and holds the earbuds securely in place while charging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.